The Mahakumbh of Prayagraj is the Mahakumbh of unity, equality and harmony. People of all castes, classes, sects and communities of the country are coming to the Mahakumbh of Prayagraj. The Mahakumbh has the name of the unbroken tradition of the eternal value of unity in diversity. Devotees are bathing, visiting and worshipping in the Mahakumbh without any discrimination. All devotees take prasad sitting in a row. Mahakumbh Nagar. The Mahakumbh of Sanatan faith and culture is being organized on the banks of the Sangam in the holy city of Prayagraj. The Mahakumbh of Prayagraj is the world's largest human and spiritual conference. UNESCO has declared the Mahakumbh as the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. In the Mahakumbh of Prayagraj, people of different languages, castes, sects and communities from every corner of the country are taking a dip in the Triveni Sangam together without any discrimination. Devotees are taking blessings of saints and hermits, visiting temples and sitting in rows in Anakshetra and consuming prasad from the Bhandaras. Mahakumbh of unity, equality and harmony is the biggest platform of the sublime values of Sanatan culture. Mahakumbh has the biggest platform of unity embedded in the cultural diversity of India. Mahakumbh has not only the biggest display of the values of unity and equality embedded in the cultural diversity of India. Tourists and journalists from all over the world cannot help but be surprised to see this. How people speaking different languages, living styles, following different customs come to bathe in Sangam tied in the thread of unity. Whether it is the arena of saints and hermits or the temples and ghats of Tirtharaj, devotees are going to have darshan and worship without any restriction. Many Anna Bhandars running in Sangam area are open day and night for all devotees and pilgrims, where all the people are sitting together in rows and consuming prasad and food. In the Mahakumbh Mela, the diversity of India becomes so harmonious that it is not possible to make any distinction between them. Prayagraj Mahakumbh has the biggest example of unity, equality and harmony. In Mahakumbh, the saints and sages of all sects and cults, from Shava, Shikta, Vaishnava, Udasi, Nath, Kabirpanthi, Redasi to Bharshiva, Aghori, Kapalik, who follow the Sanatan tradition, are together worshipping and bathing in the Ganga according to their own customs. The lakhs of devotees who have come to perform Kalpavas in the Sangam bank belong to different castes, classes and languages from every corner of the country. Here everyone is following the traditions of Mahakumbh together. In Mahakumbh, the rich, the poor, businessmen, officials are forgetting all kinds of discrimination and taking a dip in the Sangam together with one feeling. Mahakumbh and Ma Ganga do not discriminate between men, women, transgenders, urban, rural, Gujarati, Rajasthani, Kashmiri, Malayali. This tradition of equality and unity of Sanatan culture has been continuing since time immemorial in the Mahakumbh on the banks of Sangam in Prayagraj. In true sense, the Prayagraj Mahakumbh has the biggest example of unity, equality and harmony.
Watch me from the distance, see me arise. I'll be the one who's reaching for the skies. No regrets, no turning back. I'm ready for the